Hey, I'm Alex Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties, and today I'm here with
Michael Haddad from Maryland Carpet and Tile.
And the reason we're here today is because we wanted to share with you an experience that we shared together on a property that we worked on recently. This particular property was 2807 Strauss Terrace. Almost no matter what property we work on together, we wind up doing the grayish color on the wall, trim white on the trim and doors.
Yes, and we'll do a neutral carpet, standard lighting, the things that really sell, the things that show very well for clients.
One of the major components we did in this particular property was the kitchen. Let's talk about that for a second.
That Euro kitchen that my parents have in their house that we ended up demoing about 10 years ago. It needed to go. The countertops, the appliances, the cabinetry itself. It's just totally outdated. It's not going to get you the return on your investment back.
And then the other piece de la resistance,
yes sir,
I say that very badly, is the master bathroom.
Oh, yes.
Look at this.
That was a hideous looking bathroom. Many years, never had anything done to it. So we went in, gutted the entire thing out, made it as modern as can be. And you can see that from the pictures that Alex has taken, the before and the afters.
There was a recent comp in the neighborhood that sold for $330,000. Now they had done painting and they had done some carpet. After the renovations, we listed the property for $375,000. We wound up selling the house for $380,000, actually $5,000 more. We only invested $30,000 in the renovations for this particular property, which yielded a $50,000 return, which is actually a 66% return on investment.
Wow.
So the amount of money that they spent with Maryland Carpet and Tile, they actually got 66% above that.
Well worth it. Well worth it. It was a great project. It was just, the client was ecstatic, and you really got the property sold in a record time.
Quite frankly, when you do this kind of a renovation, you're going to get the property sold quickly and get top dollar. We wanted to introduce you to this particular project so that if you knew anybody thinking about buying or selling a house or just making a renovation, you've got some trusted resources you can rely on.